Welcome to this video on how to configure your wallpaper from Zedge.net. So if you're on a desktop, go to Zedge.net website. So as soon as you log into the page, the Zed brings up a nice message, says, "Hello, nice to meet you. What are you looking for?" So first you need to select your device. So click on the select your device button here. So I have an HTC phone, so I'll enter HTC. And when I press enter, it shows me all the HTC phones that are available. And I have an HTC Sensation phone. Not right here. So let me type it once again. Sensation. Okay. So I select my phone. Once the HTC Sensation phone has been selected, all the content that Zedge.net delivers to you is tuned to your phone, so you will not because you will not get low quality wallpapers. Instead, you will get high quality wallpapers depending on your screen resolution. Let me show you how we can download a wallpaper from Zedge.net. So let me select the first one here, abstract geometry wallpaper. Once you have selected it, you can preview the wallpaper, see the number of downloads. So this has been downloaded 5,600 times. I have received 32 votes. So when you want to just download, just click on the Get Wallpaper button here. This will actually take you to the pop-up which will allow you to download the wallpaper, save the file and transfer it to your file. If you don't want to do this hassle of downloading the wallpaper and saving it to a PC and then copying it to the phone via USB, the Zedge.net also gives you a QR code which you can scan from your mobile phone, and then the file will get directly downloaded to your mobile phone without having the trouble of going through and saving it on the desk. Instead, you can also send it via email. So in this case, I'll just download it. As you can see, the file is being downloaded onto my desktop. It's been downloaded, and I'll just close this for a moment. Similarly, if you want to listen to any ringtones, just go to the ringtone section. So depending on the phones that you have selected, the Zedge will allow corresponding ringtones to be downloaded. So as you can see, for HTC Sensation, it's allowing me to download the HTC One ringtone, Apple ringtone. So I think they are customizing this based on their history. In addition to it, the Zedge also has a nice filter called as family filter on. So if you want content which is not having any phone and other stuff, you can switch the family filter on, and then you can select any of the ringtones and see the preview of it. So for this video, I'll just show you how to do the video preview for HTC One ringtone. I just click on it, and then I can listen to the music and then decide if I want to download. So I'll just choose to download this, click on ringtone, and then same process as downloading a wallpaper. Either you can download it to your desktop or send it to email or use a QR code. So this was a short introduction of how you can use Zedge to get your favorite wallpaper and ringtones. Thank you.